Very good morning, friends. I am Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. See, we have rolling pivot, we have episodic pivot, but the starting opening bell itself, uh, EP was triggered, and this was a huge candle, range candle. If I measure this range candle, is 63 points. 63 points sometimes, and it's an imbalance candle engulfing everything. Then we need to wait for the discount. How to say that we are not going to go? Sometimes what happens is, let me remove this. Sometimes what happens is market starts after making an high big bar, it starts coming down and it starts like that. Sometimes it continues like this, and then that is the question. Every day it will not, follow the same rules, and the price moves in a different way. Today, if you take like this, after an imbalance, it it came down like this. So I'm going to show you one simple trick. Let me remove the drawings. Simple trick to do that. Take the Fib tool. Just apply like this. Let me go back to the apply default. So I've applied like this and go to the settings and uncheck retain 0, uncheck 0.382. Only retain 0.61, retain 1, uncheck everything, uncheck all these things. Only keep these three parameters 0.6, 1, 0.0, and 0.5. You can save this as a template. Template, you can give name, whatever name you can give, your name. Just for example, I'm showing like this. I've saved this as my template. The idea behind this, now I'm picking up this after making a template. 50-50, you know that, and 0.61 as a safe golden this one ratio, I'm keeping it. Just apply this for everything from top to bottom, or you can to identify the 0.5, go to the settings, you can change the color also. 0.5, make it red color, and lines, levels line, you make it thick. Okay, and you can take out the background also. Go to the background settings again, remove background. We don't need background, we don't need trend line, and say OK. So your tool is ready for, okay. Let me apply this tool like this. Something happened in there. Wait. Something 0.610. Oh, it has become, instead of it has become 0, it has become like this. Now I am applying this. From the bottom you apply. 0.5 is there. and point. So when the price comes, suppose when it comes, retraces back to point 0.5, within the point 0.5, you can take the trade. Here, in this example, price is above the pivot, price has moved here, and it is sitting here, next candle starting above the candle. Then you can comfortably take the position, keeping this as stop loss. For example, let us go to the option, because the people trade in options and how to take the, decide the price. We'll go to the at the money call option. 26,150 call option. The morning it opened here. It is just a simple rule. This is a huge candle. First candle is a huge candle. Same funda. You just take it, apply it. See, you can see zero point 0.5 is here, 0.618 is here, and you just keep watching this. 1 minute, I have applied this. Let us go back to replay mode. Let me start from here. You can see I've already applied the tool. It is from the previous day. Today it opened. The first candle is here. And these are the, POC levels, historical weekly POC levels, dotted lines. And even that also acts as your support, because POC, from the POC, price got accepted over here and it crossed immediately, it crossed that. You could have taken position over here. Simple way. Again, historical POC, it came to 163 and some sort of rejection here. Let us see what it is doing. It is 10 p.m. when it's probably it might have, it is coming there. Now, the entire thing is an imbalance. What you can do, you can pick up the tool over here and apply for the leg from where it has, the big bar has come to the top, because it has three bars have continued. Apply this tool and keep it as your stop loss. So let us see, let me draw a line over here from the 0.5 percentage, the market held that position. This is the simple trick you can utilize when the market is imbalanced. So many people have confusion how to enter it. So you can do the tool, you can customize the Fibonacci tool. Once again, I'm going to explain it to you. See, go to the settings, retain 0, 0.618, 1 and zero point 0.5 and make it as a template. Whatever you want, you can remove the background. I will uncheck the background and you can do that. Like this, you can save it, because this will be an important tool. It will give you confidence. Again, the market has moved from here, imbalance. Again, you pick up the tool from here. When red candle starts coming here, now at present it has not come. Let us check what it is doing. Yes, red candle has come. Okay. We will apply this to the top and let us see. It is closely hugging to 0.5. Now, almost it is 12:30. It's a simple tool, converting Fibonacci tool, converting into this is the point 0.5 and 0.618 is you can find the balance over here. Now the price has come down, and again, whether we'll see whether it is this is the dotted dashed line or the POC lines, historical weekly POC lines. So that if the price starts rejecting from this level, it is a natural one. This is the new indicator I've released. Like that, you can do that. You can hold the position from here, or you can use for an entry, you can use it. Exit when it starts coming below this, coming below. The natural thing is rolling pivot will start showing red color. You will come to know when it is going to. Let me make it 15 minutes. Let us see how it is working. See, so beautifully it is going down, and this is point 0.5 is holding from this level price. If you even extend that line and keep it from one level to other level. Now the price has come down. It was an intraday around 3 p.m., 2:30 p.m. That was an aberration, but the price took support from 164. This is the POC line, so beautiful. And then finally, price closed around 230. Yes, friends, you could have captured this move, and you can use the simple tool of Fibonacci, converting as a template, retaining by 0, 0.51 and 0.618. Thank you very much, friends. And this is an answer for somebody, my viewer. He was asking me the question, when there is a big bar, how to enter? See, every day it will not project like that. After the big bar, it goes sideways. Instead of that, the entire thing is a single swing. So when this is the 0.5%, when it is a single swing, suppose if you are entering late, you can keep this as stop loss and you can do that. And from here, if you take the fib tool and to this, up to this is the support. 188 is a support. If the market comes down and if it holds that, you can enter into safely into this is since it is a big bar while closing, some sort of correction may be there in the opening bell or somewhere you can take the trade. Anything you can take the trade. Even for example, if you get stocks from NTPC, you got from the screener, you got the first candle. Let us go to first candle. Or if you are staying on the for 15 minutes time frame, if you are waiting, you can see so beautifully this NTPC presented in the same way. Let me adjust it. If you want to adjust properly, you can enable magnet and apply. It will stick to the exactly to that level, and you can see the price getting rejected from this level, and you can keep this stop loss and you can hold the position. And why you can hold the position? Because price is above the pivot, rolling pivot, and because since it has moved gapped up so much, this is another presentation. On Nifty, it continued, but here it halted, it came inside, and then you are seeing my new indicator, POC indicator. This is the POC forming at that level. When the price started getting accepted from this point of control, most of the trades, price have traded around 339.4. When it got accepted, you can do that. Like that, you can go for an 340 call option. You can see check for the 340 call option. On the NTPC, you can trade in the, once you get the screener. See, in the screener, we got the first 15-minute candle is a big, huge candle. Big, huge candle, same funda. You take the Fib tool, anchor it to the top. Magnet will not do that because it is difficult. Now let me take out this. Then it will sit properly. Here in option C, it has come deep down, but when R1 becomes your guideline and price is above the POC. This is a POC line, point of control line from my indicator, new indicator. That's why I released this indicator. Confidence. See, most of the price has been traded over the past in this area 3.40. If we go back that, it takes the historical price and plots here. And here it has started from here NTPC 2.35. You see, by keeping all the stop loss, if you would have held, it is 4.55 and again it started stalling. So then same tool you pick up from here, apply to this and just go on seeing that. Or from this area, the price has moved, or you can do this entire, if you change 15 minutes to hourly, we'll get a single candle here. The hourly candle you can apply and it is sitting over here. And next hourly candle, you can take the tool. Simple things, simple tweaking. It will save you from, see here, after this third hour, market went sideways. But if you would have applied this tool, and it will act as guidance for you. Act as guidance, as a support, and you can keep the stop loss, trail your stop loss, and you can hold it. Okay, friends, thank you very much. And to solve the problem of the traders, because even though we have rolling pivot when it stays, but the proper entry becomes a crucial for successful and profitable trading without any psychological aberration. Otherwise, you will panic when you see the red candle, even if you are having the pivot, because you will try to enter late. So even if your entry is late, you can, with the help of this, monitor your trades. It is a simple tool. I wanted to show it to you people. Thank you very much. Nalakshi Swami signing off.